Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Ethereum from Bitrue to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your ETH between exchanges for better rates or security, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have active accounts on both Bitrue and Bitmart, and that you have some Ethereum in your Bitrue wallet. Also, double-check that you have the exact wallet address from Bitmart to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section. This is usually on the main dashboard. Step 2. Find your Ethereum balance and click on the Withdraw, or Transfer Out, button. You'll see a form pop up where you can select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency. Step 3. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those first to avoid surprises. Step 4. Paste in the wallet address from your Bitmart account. This is crucial. Copy it directly from Bitmart to prevent any typos. You might also need to select the Ethereum network, like ERC20, depending on what's required. Step 5. Review all the details, including the fees and estimated arrival time. Then, confirm the transaction. You'll probably need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transfer is initiated, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion in 2025. Head over to your Bitmart account and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify addresses and be mindful of gas fees, which can fluctuate. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this makes transferring Ethereum a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.